Kaseng Reunion Selection of Don Bosco SDB Shillong kaba imsngi ban kenteu ya kisap ki phong ka pule puthi ka akor ka burom ha ka im lang salang ha kini ki khniat banai lengba ka Don Bosco Youth Center DBYC la umkhra ha ka jing penyat Reverend Padar Michael Makri SDB Director kala penlong ya ka lumpung ya kop shat barajer kerteng Step Battle Season 1 naga banta ki khnaret bat ki samla kan thei bat chenrang buon kan hon kinong shimbanta kilawan pan pen ia la kisap ki phong ha kini kitayo balala kani kalumpung ka plelat plirenti ru ya kisamla bantur shekilumpung ya kop ki ba kham hajrong ha ka jing im jong ki kani ka jing ya kop Step Battle Season 1 kala poi shekalumpung ya khon final ha ka grand finale ka balalong ha phalau ka Don Bosco Youth Center la jamkhra ha ka jan mi lai tarik no pra bala sakhi bat ai man sim de ki kimi ki kpa ki bahing hasam bat ki lok ki jor na ka banta la ka jong ka kun hon Reverend Padar Michael Makri ula ai jingkran pediang sngo bahaya baro ki kun hon ki balawan man shimata ha ka ni ka final grand finale ha ka ni ka sngi Kadba Reverend Padar Anthony Kharkongor, Principal St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School ulalong ukong san hagane kalumpung grand finale. Haga jingkran ay mansim hakikan hon ki basyam banta bat ki bahing hasam. Reverend Padar Anthony ulakuntu ikinong shimbanta ban bo ekathong ban poi shakler jong kanam. Ulaong kasyat ka kamen kalong kabanta ka badan buram bat kalong ru kalat ban kiu shakler jong kanam bat kapliru kilat kamay kaji lengba kani kasap kapong.
The youth delegate of Shillong province, Reverend Father Sylvester Sinram, the parish priest of Lahduh, Reverend Father Primus, who has just arrived from Italy today, and you esteemed judges, and my dear lovers, energetic, lovers and passionate young people, especially lovers of those who have come to witness the Step Battle S1 Grand Finale. I'm thrilled to be standing here surrounded by so many talented and passionate young people. Looking at the dance performance today, I'm reminded that dance, or the power of dance that brings us together, inspire us to transcend borders and boundaries. Dance is not just an expression. It is a language that speaks directly to the heart, and it expresses its communication through its energetic skills, through stories, and connecting us into a deeper level. And I could see that our young people are so talented, and we thank the organizers for taking a step from Surkanot to another step where they open up for young people who have been blessed with so much of energy. And now dance could also be, a place of job that could render to young people. Many young people are looking for a job, but yet some of you have been blessed with so much. Some of you perhaps you may not be good at studies. Some of you perhaps may not have nothing to do, but you're blessed with skills and talents that can inspire young people. And I wish that those who have such talents should not hide, but come out and expose. And that could also be perhaps an eye-opener or an eye-opening to many young people that you could start a business. I was asking to the judges whether what they are doing. They told me that they are running a dance academy, and through it they are also earning. We also have, nowadays when we go to different schools, and the schools used to conduct different events, different programs, like for example sports. Now every school is performing drill. Now to have everyone to become dancers, it's impossible. So we need some good dancers, and fortunately we have dancers who have really made use of it, and they earn through it when we hired them to come and teach young people or students. Running a dance academy is also another opportunity that could give a placement to many young people that they could also start. So we need not wait for many opportunities. We need not wait for a very good job. We can already start with the talents, the skills that God has blessed you, dear young people. And dance can captivate the emotions of every one of us. And that's the beauty of dance. I could see while watching this dance here, it leads each and every one of us towards a journey, a process, and a connection within oneself, within the situation that where we are. And we could see the expression that the dancers were trying to communicate to people, the eye contact, the hands, the legs, the movement is very fantastic. So I wish, as the dancers are competing with each other, may it not just end up here just for winning or losing, but may it be a journey, a process that leads to an energetic movement that will shake the whole world in bringing us together to stand for a positive impact that could create in the minds of young people.
Kidon Rio kun hon ki baraya khon ya ka final ki ba kun thup ya ka Ace Maracus Sana LSC Duo Megha Warriors Prangsngi bat ka kun hon ki Samla Lot Majestic Dance Academy. Langut na gini ki shat marway bat lai tali ki jing shat kun hon. Ka Donbosco Youth Center kalapan up ban ai de ka busket bat ki sernot khandai po Hajar Tyngna na ka banta ka kun hon bawan baningkong kum ka Lahduh sapusan Hajar Tyngna ya ka bawan baar bat khatsan Hajar Tyngna ha ka kerdan balai. Ha ki jinga ko ki bala penki bat penki ka mensim jing shongshit jong ki nongshat bat ki nong Peit kai ka Donbosco Square kala sawa ki sur jingtam bat jing risa ka balak sam ya ka sahit beneng barok away. Ki jing shat ki lalong shisha ki ba ithiang bat ki ba dap renyeng kum ki jing shat jong ki kunhon na Bollywood. Kinong bishar ki ba kan thop ika kong da pale Stacy Warjri bat ka kong Anisha Mauri kila trot laki kle ban aya karai namar ki jing shat ki lalong shisha ki ba dap renyeng renyot high standard ha baro ki liang. Ha ka bakot uravan padar Michael Makri ulapan bena yakin nong job lawan baningkong da ka kunhon Majestic Dance Academy ka bala ra eka nam Lahduh bat rong khandai po Hajar Tyngna ka busket bat ka trophy ka kunhon Ace Maracus ka lawan baar bat ra sau pusan Hajar rengkat ka trophy bat ka kunhon Megha Warriors ka layo eka busket balai khatsan Hajar Tyngna rengkat ka trophy. Ya ka jingkran khublei penwai la ai da uravan padar riton bor Kharkongor Assistant Director Donbosco Youth Center.